My name's Tom. I'm the Operations Director here at Bryant Dental. Bryant Dental is a medical device and technology manufacturer based in the UK. We started in 2016 and we have a focus on magnification and lighting for clinicians to help them perform at their highest level. Our mission statement is to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, enabling clinicians to perform at the highest level and achieve excellence. One thing that we launched about 2 years ago is a magnification loupe which has a prism inside the lens that changes the direction of the light. This allows clinicians to sit completely upright in the most natural postural position and see the work that they're doing with magnification and reducing any chance of neck or back strain. Our founding team here at Bryant Dental are all dentists by training, so I'm a dentist myself, and that's really helped because we understand the daily problems that dentists face, and that's really helped us find the best solutions for them. One of the biggest problems in the whole of dentistry at the moment is neck and back pain. There are many dentists. I think 1 in 3 clinicians over the course of their career have to take time off work because of neck or back pain, and this is something that we thought we can do better. With traditional loupes where the telescopes are straight and through the lens, it helps the problem, but it doesn't solve it because your neck is still strained and tilted. And dentistry is not a forgiving profession. And we've actually had many customers that have been either seeing physiotherapists or having treatments, and by using refractives or by moving over to refractives, they've been able to reduce that pain that they've been having and eventually have a longer career. We have over 15,000 clinicians worldwide now using our products, which we're very proud about. Every face is different, so every pair of loupes is different, and because it's such a bespoke personal item that clinicians are going to have for many years, they really want to make it their own. So we have a range of different options, everything from frame shapes, sizes, colours, magnifications, prescriptions, light selections, and combining all of these possible options, we have over 1,500 different possible selections. So around 12 months ago, we started investing really heavily in the ability to create custom loupes online, which hasn't been done before. And we launched this successfully in November. So we have a custom measurement kit, which we can send out to a clinician anywhere in the world. And using an AI measurement tool, which we've created in-house, paired with the measurement kit, we're able to create a pair of bespoke loupes for clinicians anywhere in the world. And I'm pleased to say that we've successfully done this now for many clinicians in over 25 different countries worldwide. We use Zoho WorkDrive for our PDM, our product data management, and we also use it for certain documentation and also lots of graphic assets, and our design team use it quite extensively. So one of the best and most important functions we use Zoho WorkDrive for is for our photos of customers with measuring frames from Zoho Forms. And using our automations, we're able to connect Zoho Forms with Zoho WorkDrive directly to upload these photos, and we're even able to rename them with a unique customer identifier. And that allows us then to search and upload the files to different areas for our manufacturing process, and that's been really unique and helpful to process very large volumes of images and information without any manual steps at all. So the search function in Zoho WorkDrive works incredibly reliably, and we use it regularly. If we need to find images or information for a specific customer, we're able to search their name or their unique identifier, and it really reliably shows up all of the information that we have stored for that customer. One of the things that's really nice about Zoho WorkDrive is it connects with our Zoho One suite. So we're able to set account level permissions so that different documents, different folders are only visible by certain account levels. And that allows us to structure and organize all of our documentation really nicely. Zoho WorkDrive also has a more than adequate amount of storage that we haven't got close to filling yet, and I think it will allow us to continue to scale without being worried about completely filling up the storage that we have.